Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to solve this tricky exponential equation. But solution. We have x raised to power root x, and then another way to write this is x raised to power x, then everything raised to power 1 over 2. Because we know that square root of a is same thing as a raised to power 1 over 2. And then the square root is what I have as 1 over 2. And then we can multiply the powers. We have x raised to power root of x equals to x raised to power x times 1 over 2, same thing as x over 2. Okay, so from here we can equate the exponents. Okay, let's equate the exponent because the bases are the same. We have x and we have x. So let's equate the exponent. Okay, that means that we have root x equals to x over 2, and then from there we can cross multiply. When we cross multiply, then we have 2 root x equals to x, and then let's square both sides. Square both sides, and then we have 2 root x square equals to x square. Okay, so now to open this, we have 2 raised to power 2, and then we have root x raised to power 2 equals to x square. Alright, so 2 raised to power 2 is 4. We have 4, and then this square cancels square root. We have x equals to x square. Okay, this is a quadratic equation, so let's rearrange. We have x square minus 4x equals 0. Then when we factor out x, then we have x into brackets x minus 4 equals 0. Now x times x is x squared, then x times minus 4 is minus 4x. Everything equals 0. So that means we have x equals 0, and we also have x minus 4 equals 0. X minus 4 equals 0. That means that we have x equals 0, and then by the time you move minus 4 to that side, it becomes plus 4. Now x equals to 0 or x equals to 4. Now let's check. Let's check for valid solutions. Checking for valid solutions. Okay, now we have x equals 0 and we have x equals to 4. Now, x equals 0 is not a valid answer, because exponents like 0 raised to power 0 or 0 raised to power root 0. Obviously, this is what we're going to get when we substitute for x in the equation. So 0 raised to power 0 or 0 raised to power root 0 are undefined. They are undefined. So that makes x equals 0 to be invalid. So now let's check for x equals to 4. We have x equals to 4. Let's see what we have. Now let's write our equation. We have x raised to power root x equals to square root of x raised to power x. Okay, anywhere we see x, we write 4. So we have 4 raised to power 4, root 4. Then we have 4 raised to power 4. Right, everything is 4. Okay, square root of 4 is 2. So this becomes 4 raised to power 2 equals to. Now the whole of this one will give us, okay, if we have something like 4 raised to power 4, right, so this becomes 4 raised to power 4 1 over 2, and then this cancel this, so it becomes 4 raised to power 2. So obviously the whole of this is also 4 raised to power 2. Right, 4 raised to power 2 equals to 4 raised to power 2. It's a valid, this is a valid answer. That means that x equals to 4 is a valid answer. X equals to 4 is a valid answer. Okay, now let's try to do this. Square root of x raised to power root x equals to x. Now let's solve this and write our answer in the comment section. Alright, thanks guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, please and please do subscribe. See you next time.